This was an article that came out in Bloomberg Wealth. 0.72 seeks crypto ahead while Soros starts Bitcoin trading. This just came out today, June the 30th. Real good article. Steve Cohen's firm has said that the market can't be ignored. Steve Cohen, I don't know if you know who he is. He was head of one of the biggest hedge funds in the world, and now he runs like a family office for that, but he had one of the best track records in history in investing. Also, Soros's family office had invested in crypto infrastructure. They're in the process of getting in this, sounds like pretty big time. Soros, I don't know if you know who he is. He's the George Soros that started the Quantum Fund, which was actually managed also by Jimmy Rogers many years ago back. Jimmy Rogers and him actually worked with the Quantum Fund from about 1970 to 1980, and then Jimmy Rogers left, and George Soros continued to manage the fund. Also, if you get a chance, if you're making at least $150,000 US a year, and or you got a net worth at least 1 million US, and you want to legally get your income taxes to zero, how to get a second passport as quick as 45 days, do 3 things. Hit the subscribe button on the right of your screen right here, and you'll get new videos automatically as they come out. And number 2 is I would like to hear from you. If you got a question or comment, just put it below. And number 3 is go to our website, www.citizenshipquickly.com, and just ask for some help. All right, and some of the biggest names in the hedge fund industry now are wading deeper into crypto. Steve Cohen's 0.72 Asset Management is seeking to hire a head of cryptocurrencies, while the family office of billionaire George Soros has started trading Bitcoin, according to people familiar with the matter. Spokespeople for the firms declined to comment. The moves, which were both reported earlier by TheStreet.com, come as a growing number of marquee hedge funds have begun to dabble in digital assets. 0.72 rival Millennium Management has been active in crypto-related futures and exchange-traded funds, while Brevon Howard Asset Management and micro trader Paul Tudor Jones began investing in crypto already. In March, hedge fund manager Dan Loeb said he was doing a deep dive into crypto. Now, the decision by 0.72 follows an announcement to investors that the $22 billion firm was exploring investing in the sector, either through its flagship hedge fund or its private investment unit. It wasn't immediately clear what the new crypto position would entail. They stated basically that they stated that we're exploring opportunities around blockchain technology and its transformative disruptive capabilities. 0.72 in a May letter to investors seen by Bloomberg, we would be dismissed to ignore a now $2 trillion cryptocurrency market. Meanwhile, dedicated cryptocurrency firms say they're struggling to find the right candidates to fill hundreds of positions. A frenzy of interest in digital currencies and other assets had pitted those stocks against some of the world's biggest financial institutions, with Goldman Sachs Group Inc., Bank of New York Mellon Corporation, and DBS Group Holdings starting to offer services and trading. While the space is volatile, suffering a steep rout in May, the total market value of cryptocurrency now stands at around $1.4 trillion, according to CoinGecko. Now, Don Fitzpatrick, who oversees Soros Fund Management, approved traders to begin positioning in Bitcoin in recent weeks. The person said, and Bloomberg first reported in 2018 that the firm was preparing to invest in cryptocurrencies, but hadn't yet put on a wager. At the time, Fitzpatrick had given micro investing head Adam Fisher the green light to trade virtual coins. Fisher left the firm early in 2019. In a March interview with Bloomberg Television's Eric Schatzker, Fitzpatrick said that Bitcoin was interesting, that the firm had been making investments into crypto infrastructure, such as exchanges, asset managers, and custodians. There's a real fear of debasing fiat currencies that's driving demand for crypto, Fitzpatrick said in an interview. He went on to say that Bitcoin, I don't think it's a currency. I think it's a commodity that's easily stored and transferable with a finite supply. She declined to say whether she owned any Bitcoin herself. If you are interested in legally getting your income taxes to zero, how to get a second passport as quick as 45 days, and you got a net worth at least 1 million US, or you make at least 150,000 US dollars a year, do three things. Hit the subscribe button on the right of your screen right here, and you'll get new videos automatically as they come out. Number two is I would like to hear from you. If you got a question or comment, just put it below. And number three is go to our website, www.citizenshipquickly.com, and just ask for some help. And I'll look forward to talking to you on the next video. Take care.